Welcome to Oki's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to the cheapest, fastest, and quickest way to restore your plastic headlights. This is a 2000 Toyota Tundra. That's the right headlight, and I'm going to show you how to make it look like that. The very quickest, easiest, cheapest way you ever did imagine. So, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to put this tripod down here, and I'm going to show you the absolute easiest and cheapest way to do this. And that is, all you need is some toothpaste and a couple clean rags. You don't need to put any gloves on or nothing. Just take some toothpaste. This has got baking soda in the toothpaste. Throw it on like that. Doesn't matter if you get it on you. You put it in your mouth, so obviously you can put it on your hands. And you just put it on here, spread it around with your fingers, and start doing a circular motion just with your fingers. Go around the edges a little bit.